Live, this is Good Morning Texas.
Still ahead on GMT, clearing out your home and office, kitchen and closet clutter for good this time. For good. A professional organizer gives us her top tools and tips that are simple, so simple, you're going to say, why didn't I think of that?
After months of sheltering, working, remote learning at home, everything at home, not to mention celebrating every major holiday, we want to help you finally get control of your clutter. It's Organization 101 in 2021, and professional organizer Tonia Tomlin joins us with tips and trends to keep it simple. Good morning, Tonia.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy New Year to you also. Okay, I've spent 6 months working on this and I still need help. What's your biggest piece of advice?
You know, I always tell people when they get overwhelmed with getting organized, you have to start small. Don't organize your closet all in one day. Just pick a small section, or you might go to the kitchen and pick just a small little junk drawer to start with, but don't overwhelm yourself.
Okay, you talk about a simpler closet in 2021. What do you mean and why?
Yes, for 2021, we're all doing at-home work. Some kids are at home. Let's just keep things simple and just maybe build a section in your closet that's at-home work days. Be comfortable while you're sitting down at work. Pick clothes that are breathable. And you start your day in the closet and you end your day in the closet. So keep things simple and easy for yourself and just get ready quickly in the morning.
What about athleisure wear? Because so many of us have been buying that, and you have like that pair of leggings that's like, this is the most comfortable pair of leggings on earth, but they have like holes in them now. I mean,
yes, those are probably the ones you want to get rid of. And athleisure wear has its life too. So obviously I recommend purging clothes that you're not actively using anymore. If you used to do yoga and you don't do yoga anymore, then consider getting rid of those items. Also, running shoes. It's kind of like a pair of tires. They wear out. So after 4 to 6 months, I recommend replacing those items. Also leggings, 1 year. If they have holes, they're itchy, get rid of those. Sports bras, 6 to 8 months. Things that are just not comfortable, just get rid of them.
Okay, help us with office clutter, because that really hampers what you're trying to do.
Yes, office clutter. Remember, if you have a cluttered desk and you can't focus, so I recommend clearing the clutter from your desk. Little small knickknacks, you can get rid of those. And then also color code your files. High priority to do is red. Yellow is follow-up. Green is to do. Why don't we, come up with a system that works for you? I love, love, love color. And also prioritize weekly, not just once a month or just whenever you feel like it. Consider doing that once a week. And then also have one calendar. I work with so many clients that have 2 or 3 different calendars. You just got to keep it simple.
Okay, what about kitchens? Because a lot of people get a lot of kitchen gifts for Christmas and all that kind of stuff, and you think, oh, I'll use that next year sometime. What do you suggest?
Yes, I know a lot of people over the holidays probably got an Instapot, maybe a new air fryer. I consider all of that real clutter on your kitchen countertop. So you might have a section in your pantry just for appliances. So get them off of the counter. And also remember, when you're working in your pantry, get rid of all of that cardboard and consider putting those in clear bins, clearly labeled, and obviously, investing in the right tools and things like that. You're going to be able to find things a lot faster.
Okay, before we let you go, what are your top 5 organization tools or hacks?
Yes, I love these OXO bins. As you can see, I just pulled this from my pantry. It's clearly labeled. I know how much I have left. I love these closet organizers. We talked about having a section in your closet. You can actually label this. This is just at-home office work attire. Also, these clear bins and baskets. We talked about getting rid of the cardboard, place your items and snack bars and these types of things, just because you can see it and you know what you have when you need to go to the store. Also, here's another option. This is clearly labeled power snacks. Everyone's getting into the new year, wants more healthy snacks. Well, this is a great way to get organized. You can see what you have. Also, these fun little turntables are amazing. You can shop in your pantry with all those oils and different, spices and those types of things. So this is a super fun time to get organized and reset, your pantry.
Can I tell you what I think a business opportunity is?
Yes, love it.
Costume jewelry, organizing it. It's crazy because all the jewelry containers, they're made for precious jewelry. So you get all these necklaces, all these earrings and stuff that you don't want to get rid of them because you might wear them in 10 years.
Yes, you might wear them. And I know we've been talking about getting your closet organized for a while. So we just need to probably just get that done and I can show you how to organize all that.
All right. Great to see you, Tonia. Have a wonderful day.
Great to see you.
Stay
Bye.
safe and healthy.
Thank you.